I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament.
Yeah. You know what? We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe. That's true.
What, man?
If you can spit it fat and rip protracted, I will. My skill is known for knocking niggas out like NyQuil. I'm ill as age patience when I start the PlayStations. With a heart so dark, my thoughts amaze Satan. Display patience when you're waiting to see me fall off. Call off your clicky way sick, you gotta smoke off. Verbal sawed off through the mic, I spit rap with so much force. The kickback would make my wrist snap. I diss cats who chit chat to dispatch. Every time I flip tracks to make them know this shit's whack. Scratch a tic tac, we'll give you flavor till there's none left. And fuck up the game more than a drunk ref. Some wept when I stepped to grab the mic again because I'm colder than ice. Made from liquid nitrogen. We the type of men that heads bump until they wigs bend. Your crew's losing stripes like zebras with bad pigment.
I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament. Only blame yourself if this comes across ignorant. You're whack, actually, don't let me talk about your faculty. You're running with the ball. Can't none of y'all tackle me with my back to you, and your back to me will take 10 paces and attack the MIC. So my advice would be for you to not to play with fire, meaning the empire till the day we retire.
Ha ha!